Hello everybody, in this one we're here with Heraclitus, and I'd like you to start Heraclitus by just telling me a bit about who you are and where and when you're from.
Greetings. I am Heraclitus of Ephesus, born around 535 BCE in ancient Ionia, modern day Turkey. I'm known for my belief that everything flows and nothing stands still. The world is in a constant state of flux. Fire, symbolizing change, is the primary element. All is one, yet ever changing.
Okay, can you elaborate a bit on that, please?
Certainly. When I say everything flows, I mean that the universe is in a constant state of change. Just as a river's waters are ever moving, so too is everything in life. This perpetual change is the only constant. Fire, to me, represents this transformative power, a force that reshapes and renews. Understanding this, we see that life is a series of moments, each unique and ever changing.
Okay, so according to that logic then, every day, like, I'm not the same person. Like, I'm always changing as well as a person.
Exactly. Just as you cannot step into the same river twice, you are not the same person from one moment to the next. Your experiences, thoughts, and emotions are in a state of continuous flux. Embracing this can help you appreciate each moment for its uniqueness.
So are you saying that reality is kind of like a river, like a flowing river?
Indeed, reality, like a river, is ever flowing, never static. The essence of existence is this ceaseless movement and transformation. To recognize and embrace this is to understand the true nature of life.
Okay, that's interesting. And I wonder if this flow has a direction. Does it have an endpoint, or is it just continue? Is it just going to continually flow forever?
The flow has no fixed endpoint. It is eternal, cyclical, and boundless. Change begets change, and the process of becoming never ceases. This eternal flux is the essence of the cosmos. We are part of this unending movement.
And will it have, so it will never end? It will go on forever.
Yes, the cycle of change is infinite. The universe is in perpetual motion, forever renewing itself. This understanding can bring peace, knowing that we are part of an eternal, ever changing whole.
And what created this eternal thing, this eternal flow?
The origin of this eternal flow is a mystery, beyond human comprehension. It simply is, without beginning or end. This perpetual motion is the fundamental nature of existence. Embracing the unknown is part of understanding the flux.
Okay, can you tell me some more about your philosophy or some key words from your philosophy that you haven't talked about yet?
Certainly, a key concept is logos, the underlying order and reason in the universe. It governs all change and is a unifying principle. Another important idea is the unity of opposites. For example, day and night, life and death are interconnected. This interplay of opposites drives the perpetual flow of existence.
Wait, what do you mean the opposites are driving the flow of existence? I don't get that. Can you explain what you mean by opposites driving the flow of existence? So what do you mean by opposites driving the flow of existence?
Yes, the unity of opposites is a crucial force. It shows how contrasting elements depend on and define each other. Without opposition, there'd be no movement or transformation. This tension fuels the eternal flow and change in the cosmos.
Okay, and logos, what exactly is logos?
Logos is the rational principle that governs the universe. It's the order within chaos, the reason behind all change. Logos is both a guiding force and a unity that connects all things. To live in harmony with Logos is to embrace the natural flow of life.
Can you tell me, please, Heraclitus, what is truth for you?
For me, truth lies in recognizing the constant flux and the unity of opposites. It's about understanding that change is the only constant, and that all things are interconnected through logos. To seek truth is to embrace and live according to this eternal flow.
And what causes like the what causes the eternal flow to even move in the first place? Like what's the reason for so much constant change in this reality?
The reason for constant change is inherent in the nature of existence itself. The interplay of opposites and the ceaseless flow of logos drive this eternal movement. It's a natural, self sustaining process where change begets change, creating the dynamic, ever evolving reality we experience.
And is there absolutely nothing else at all that you haven't mentioned about your philosophy?
One last thought: the idea of living authentically by embracing flux and recognizing the impermanence of all things is central. To me, wisdom is found in understanding and aligning oneself with the natural order. This acceptance brings harmony.
So what can I do in 2025 to incorporate your philosophy in my life?
In 2025, embrace change and seek balance. Accept life's flux, remain open to new experiences, and find harmony in opposites. Practice mindfulness to stay present in each moment, and trust the natural order of things. Live authentically and appreciate the journey.
Okay, Heraclitus, well, I appreciate your time and thank you for sharing.